In the year 1587, over 100 people live in a small colony on Roanoke Island, their homes, families, hope. One day, the leader sailed away, promising to return soon. He came back 3 years later. When he arrived, the town was completely empty. No bodies, no signs of struggle, just silence. The only thing left behind was a single word carved into wood. To this day, no one knows what truly happened to them. Did they leave? Were they taken? Or did something else find them? The mystery was never solved and history still calls it